alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my brothers and sisters in Islam. Do you know something about your smartphone that you are using to watch me right now? Do you know something about it? Okay, let me tell you something about your smartphone. Your smartphone can be a means for you to enter paradise, and also it can be a means for you to enter Jahannam. Be aware of what you will be using your smartphone to watch. Be aware of what you will be posting on the internet. Be aware of what you will be reading on the internet, and also be aware of what you will be using your hand to type on the internet. Don't ever use your phone to watch a flesh of a man like you or a woman like you on your phone. Don't ever do that. It is haram totally. Try to be using your phone to be watching a lecture like this, and also try to be using it to be reading the Quran, to do a lot of azkar. There are a lot of so many good deeds that you can be using your phone to do, for it to be a means for you to enter paradise.